hold this way. This finger this way and just glide it. How to fold Walkalong Glider from common notebook paper. We require this triangular shaped paper, so cut it from this way, fold exactly half properly. Make crease. Now fold halfway. Again half, exactly half. Exactly half. Again half. Now fold exactly half again, this way. Okay. Make crease. And this exactly 90 degree, this way. Fold exactly 90 degree. Same here. They should be of same size, same angle. Now this one. Now our Walkalong Glider is ready. The test flight.